Hi, my name is Jess Zwart. I've been in the role for a little under 2 years now. My background is mechanical fitter and light vehicle mechanic. During school, I was always the one more hands-on, wanted to learn how things worked, why things fail. After school, I decided to jump into the trades. What I love most about my job is seeing the light bulb moments for students. When they think that they can't do something, they get in there, they do it. As a female working in a male-dominated industry, my experience has actually been quite pleasant. I think the more people or the more females you have around you that are doing these roles definitely helps you see that you can do it. Seeing is believing, and I'm a big believer in that. I would definitely make sure you grab any opportunity you can and every opportunity you can and make the most of it. I find when you're passionate about what you do, then it's not really a job because you're doing what you love. There's no better time now to be a female in the trades than right now.